It was summer, and a rich farmer in Amельgem had a bountiful crop. His barn was too small for his harvest that year. He was afraid that a storm could ruin his crop and did not know what to do. He stood in his field thinking deeply about how to solve his problem when a well-dressed man wearing a top hat came along the path. He stopped next to the farmer and greeted him kindly. "What's the matter, my friends? You seem troubled." "My crops are ready for harvest," the farmer answered, "but my barn is too small. I have neither the money nor the time to build another." "No problem," the unknown gentleman continued. "I can have a new barn built before your rooster crows in the morning. It will be big enough for the whole town to dance inside." "Where do you come from, sir?" asked the farmer. "From Perbos, an hour from hell," the stranger said, and pulled 1,000-franc note out of his pocket. The farmer was shocked. He had never seen 1,000-franc note before. "What do you want me to do?" the farmer asked. "Just a small favor. Sell me your soul, and all this money is yours to keep." "Sell my soul?" stammered the farmer. "I cannot do that. My soul is in me, and it is not ready to come out." "You can leave your soul where it is. Just sign this letter here," the stranger explained and read out its contents. "I hereby sell my soul to Beelzebub in return for a barn to be built before the cock crows in the morning." As he signed the letter, the farmer thought about his wife, all the saints, and Our Lady of Amельgem, and asked them to help him. Darkness suddenly descended, and a roaring thunderstorm broke overhead. When he looked up, the devil was gone, leaving him stood there with the 1,000-franc bill in his hand. The farmer came home trembling. He did not want to tell his wife what had happened, but she knew immediately that something was wrong. The farmer did not want to eat supper that evening and went straight to bed. Suddenly he cried out, "That black Beelzebub sits there on the barn roof, giving orders to his black devils. Chase them away." His wife jumped out of bed and saw the devils in their yard. She grabbed hold of her husband. "Confess what you have done," she cried. With tears in the eyes, the farmer confessed everything. "No, I will bedevil the devil," his wife declared. She quickly got dressed, grabbed a blessed candle and matches, and crawled to the hen house through the back door, carrying her shoes in her hands. When she arrived, she lit the candle, clapped her shoes together, and woke the whole hen house up. Seeing the light, the rooster began to crow. All the devils jumped off the roof at once. A brand new barn stood there the following morning. However, there was an unfinished hole under the roof, which meant that the farmer was freed from the devil's contract. The farmer and his wife lived happily ever after, and would often tell their children and grandchildren about the time they bedeviled the devil himself.